Headline: New MSTR ETF offers weekly payouts until BTC market turns. Published at 7:19 p.m. July 15, 2025. Catering to the short attention span of retail investors in Michael Saylor's Bitcoin, BTC treasury company MicroStrategy, MSTR, a new fund manager is advertising weekly payouts plus extra leverage. Although monthly payouts have been available in YieldMax's ETF MSTY since February 2024, Roundhill wants to increase that cadence 4x with its upcoming fund, MSTW. In addition to weekly payouts, the Roundhill MSTR Weekly Pay ETF will also leverage synthetic derivatives to hopefully surpass MSTR's calendar week price return by an extra 20%. To accomplish these feats, the new ETF will obtain investment exposure exceeding the net assets in its fund with lots of leverage. Investors will suffer magnified losses in bearish market conditions, at least 1.2% in losses for every 1% weekly decline in the price of MSTR, plus the fund's operating and financing costs and trading commissions. In its Form N-1A registration statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Roundhill admits that it will buy swap agreements to synthetically derive exposure to MSTR. These exotic agreements will add credit, counterparty, and valuation risks that common MicroStrategy shareholders don't have. Read more. Is Coinbase holding MicroStrategy's Bitcoin? MicroStrategy amplified with leverage and risk. Moreover, swap agreements have a mere fraction of the liquidity of MSTR itself, meaning that it may be difficult or impossible to buy or sell a position. This may also make its positions more difficult to liquidate and increase the losses incurred while trying to do so. Finally, the fund isn't a passive price-tracking fund, but rather an actively managed ETF whose performance reflects investment decisions that the advisor and/or sub-advisor makes for the fund. Despite all of these risks, reactions to the MSTW announcement on social media have been mostly positive. Members of various communities, like Irresponsibly Long MSTR, rebroadcast the press release. The new ETF was supposed to start trading in May, and investors still expect it to launch soon. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.